Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Education, Creativity and Activity. I am Ayushi and now I am back with my new video. This is about Ganesh Chaturthi decoration. So here are in this video I am going to tell you three parts to decorate the decoration. So first part is to make flowers with craft paper. Second part is to decorate the background. Third part is to put the Ganpati into it and for other decoration for it. So for that I have taken scissors, stapler, glue and craft papers. And you want to make flower like this. So let us start. So as you can see that I am taking my blue craft paper and we have to make one craft paper is equals to half, means two craft paper will use to make one flower. So you want to fold like this first. Now you want to fold it again and again you want to fold, because we want to fold it at 3 times because it has been too thin. After doing like this, open the full craft paper, then you want to fold it like fan. Whenever we will make fan, we will do this process for making the fan. So as you can see my half is completed and now I am going to my other. Yes, half is back, half is left only. Yes, so now what you want to do, you want to fold it because we want to make flower now. Because of that we want to fold it, and now we want to cut the stages here. Means we want to take black or pencil or a blue pen, then you have to make a mark of with it, and after that you want to cut it with the scissor. After cutting, then fold it. As you see that I am folding it like this, and now you want to cut it, the remaining part that is left in the with the craft paper. Now you have to stapler it. How you can stapler it? You have to open it and now you want to fold it at the half of it. As I am folding, you can see it, and take a stapler, punch it with the stapler like this. I am doing it. Yes, it has been done, and now you have to take the corners. You can see that I have taken stapler, and now I am going to take the corners of the craft paper and I am going to stapler it. After that, our half of flower has been ready. You can see that half of it is ready, and now you want to make second same. As you can see, first is ready and second made. Second with, as you can see that my both are completed, means my one flower is made in front of you. So as you can see, and now I am going to stick it. Then you can stapler it also, you can punch with the stapler also. And now I am going to see you that how to use glue into it. We want to stick like this, and now I am not going to use stapler. I am going to use the glue for sticking the both parts of the flower. Now I have tell you to use stapler, and now I am going to tell you that how to use glue into it. And now first open the cap of the glue bottle, and now I am opening it. I have spread it, and now you want to spread it with finger, because when you will spread it with finger, it will be spread very nice and perfectly. After spreading, it is not compulsory to stick on the other side of the craft paper also. And now you can see that I am sticking it. So now you can see that it is completed, but one thing is remaining. What thing is remaining? I will remember you. Okay, you can see that one middle thing is not completed to take a round shape of yellow color and stick it on the paper, means our flower. So I have taken a shape circle with the cap of the bottle, and I have cutted it and stick it. As you can see that it is completely cutted. Now I am taking glue and I am going to spread it with, then I am going to stick it on the flower. After doing this process, the more attractive is blue one, because it is looking nice. Second is also ready, and we want to do the same process with our other craft papers. And totally I am going to make four flowers with the craft papers. It is too easy. So now I have now 4 craft papers, 2 orange, 1 yellow ochre, and next is pink. So I will make 4, means I have 4 craft paper. From them I am going to make 2 flowers, because the 2 craft paper will include only 1. And I am going to put the sari of not maroon color, this is only for example. I am going to put the pink sari in the background of the our decoration. Our decoration is too easy, but at starting you will think that this is very easy. This we will see from other video also, but at last you can see the video is very interesting and decoration is too nice. So as you can see that I have made it 4 papers. First is yellow ochre, second is orange, third is blue, fourth is our 2 color mixture. Mixture is pink and yellow ochre color. So that I have tell you to take sarees. I am telling you to take pink color saree, because it will be look nice. I am now telling you only the example with this maroon color saree. So as you can see now, yes, it has been 2 stones, and it will be look nice also. And in the last of the video you will see the pink sari at the background of the decoration. Decoration is too nice, huh? Don't skip the video. So let us go on our second part of the video, in second stage. So I am going to keep these flowers aside, and I am going to put my this flowers aside. And now you can see that I have covered the wooden thing, that is with wood. You can see the background of it, and this is the made up of plastic and thermocol. This is the mixture of it. And now I am going to cover it with hot glue, means I am going to take the artificial rose rope, and I am going to stick it, means I am going to roll it on this. Okay, so I am going to take hot glue to stick the corners of it. So as you can see that I have taken the hot glue gun. Now I am going to put the some hot glue and at the bottom of the flower. You can see that I am putting it. Yes, and now you want to stick it on it. It is easy. I don't think that you have to use the glue that we have taken in the flower making process with the craft papers. You have to take hot glue only, because hot glue is strong. Because of that our flower will become strong and not removed very fast. Okay, it is easy. So stick it properly, because it will be removed soon. As you can see that it has been removed in the video. You can see, as you can see. Now you want to roll it on the wood and that plastic and thermocol mixture of the thing. So now you can see that I am rolling it on this wood. You don't want to take at the means you don't want to take sellotape also, means you can take it, but I am not guaranteed to take it because of sellotape will also removed very soon. Because of that I have taken the hot glue. I am sure to take the I am giving you guarantee to take hot glue. It is very powerful. So you can see my half is done. I have taken two ropes of the artificial flower rope. Two ropes I have taken because one is not enough. Because of that I am taking. And now when one rope is finished, you want to take hot glue again and stick it, because it will be not lock whenever you will put the hot glue. As you can see that I am putting the rope at the finishing of it, and now you don't want to be congested like whatever it's okay. You want to pull it upper side, and now first rope is completed, so I am taking my second rope for the decoration. These both are same, means you want to take the both glue, means both ropes are want to be same. So I am putting the glue again, hot glue again, and I am going to stick it. So as you can see that I am sticking it. So as you can see that I have sticked it, and now I am going to roll it on the wood and thermocol with plastic material. So as you can see that I have finished it with my rope sticking process, and now I am going to stick with the last process of it. So as you can see, rose is also sticked there, and it is looking beautiful but not fully, because now something is remaining at the background that I have tell you that I am taking pink sari at the background to decorate. If you will do this process, it is too very easy. Now you can see that I have taken it, and it is completely complete but not completely. And you can see the pink sari. Now what you want to do, you want to fold it as per the size that I have taken this. Okay, so I have folded as per its size. Now I'm going to stick it in this with the safety pins. I'm going to take some of the safety pins, and I'm going to stitch it. If you will stitch it, it is also good to stitch, but I will suggest the safety pin only. So my first point is pin upping it. So as you can see that I am pin upping it. After pin upping, then I am going to take the safety pin and pin up it in the middle of the and top of the decoration part of also. So as you can see that I am pin upping it. So now you can see it has been completely, only means you can tell it's that 70% is done, but 30% is remaining. No, 50% is done and 50% are remaining. Not 70. 70 are very big amount. And for this I have taken 5 safety pins to pin up it. So now after pulling it is not looking good. Because of that I am putting all the clothes in the afterwards. Forward means so as you can see that I am taking another safety pin also. This is my 4th safety pin. And now I am going to take 5th safety pin. So now it is completely complete, but now 30% is remaining. Now 30% is remaining to decorate only. Our decoration is ready, but only last point of decoration is remaining. This wood thing is I have purchased it from BMS market, that's in Nashik city. So it is done. And now what you want to do, you want to adjust it with the size. Not spaces has been left over there, that it is not completely complete, so you want to complete it. So you can see that I am taking my flowers that we have made in our first process of making flowers with the craft papers. So you can see that I am putting it, not stitching or sticking it. I am only putting it, means I am means मैं उसे अटका रही हूँ सिर्फ. So as you can see that I am putting it like this. It is completely complete. And with second one I am going to put it also. And now third means our orange one. Now fourth is our blue. No, not blue, it is of yellow ochre. Adjust it properly. Now I have taken yellow ochre and now put it. After putting it is looking nice. Now I am going to take one wood thing that is made up of wood, and now I am going to put there a red color cloth that is of cotton silk mix cloth. It is looking nice. You can take this material from the all clothes shops that's we use for taking threads, falls, sarees. And I'm going to put their Ganpati. My Ganpati is small. Now what you want to do, you want to put the diya there. Oil is also there in the diya, means not oil, there is ghee. And water, one as per the 1 cup. Haldi kumkum. And I'm going to burn the cotton in that it is in diya. So as you can see, our decoration is completely complete. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and if you have any doubts, comment me and subscribe my channel.